children, good morning. How are you doing today? I hope all of you are doing fine. Yes, very good. So, welcome to our school, Sri Vedadev Universe School. And all of you know, I am Kamala and I am teaching you English. So, this is your English class. So, what have you learnt yesterday? Verb first, nouns, then collective nouns. Your second class was collective nouns, and yesterday previous class was verbs, and today we are learning one more time. We are revising what you have learned in your second standard. It is pronouns. So what are pronouns, children? Do you remember? Pronouns are the words which are used in the place of nouns. Now all of you are very good in nouns. Perfect or not? You know, can you identify the nouns? Yes. So nouns are just the names. So the words which you write in the place of nouns. If there is a name, instead of that name you can write another word, and that are the pronouns. Now let us see what words are there. He, she, we, I, they, you, etc. There are still many more. So today let us just see this one. In your third standard, once we start with our syllabus, you learn more. So these are the words which we can use in the place of the noun. Now let us see the first sentence. Example: Akhil is a police. Akhil wears a uniform. Now here what is the pronoun? Which word is the pronoun? Akhil. Akhil is the name. Here Akhil. Here Akhil and Akhil two times. Usually why we use a pronoun? If the same noun is getting repeated many times, it won't look nice every time saying the same name. So that's why we are using the pronoun. The first time we use the name. From the second time onwards we can use the pronoun. So Akhil. Akhil is the noun, and is it a name of a boy or a girl? That one also you have to see. If it is the name of a boy, we use he. And if it is the name of a girl, she. You have learned the genders, masculine and feminine. Male, if it is the name of a male, we use he. And if it is the name of a female, we use she. And when we use we use when we talking about a group of people where I am also included. I am, then it is we. If I am not there, they. We say they. If I am not there in the group, we say they. But if I am also included in the group, we say we. All of you know I. I means myself. You means the opposite person with whom we are talking. We say you. If I am talking about myself, I. Opposite person, it's you. So now Akhil is a name of a boy, so that's why what will be the answer? Akhil is a police. Now here we take out this Akhil again and we can write he. In the place of Akhil we are writing he. He wears a uniform. So Akhil is a police, he wears a uniform. Now the second one, let us see. Ram has a pencil. Now in the second sentence, you have to see which noun is getting repeated. Here Ram is also noun, pencil is also noun. Here the pencil is red. Now which noun is getting repeated? The pencil. Ram has a pencil, the pencil is red. So pencil is getting repeated. So in the place of pencil, this is the noun here. In this place what we can write? Pencil. Pencil is a male. Yes? No. Pencil is a female. Is it a girl? No. What is it? It is a thing. So for thing, what we use? We use it. For things, usually we use it. Even for animals, we can use it. So in the place of the pencil, so for the answer, what we have to write? We write it. So what will be the answer? Ram has a pencil. It is red. It means here the pencil. Now, third one. Vimala is my friend. Vimala writes neatly. So, Now which noun is getting repeated in the second sentence? Vimala. Here Vimala, here is Vimala. So the first time we have to leave the name like that. In the second sentence only you are going to replace it. Now we replace Vimala with which pronoun? He, she, we, I, they, you, it. Which one? Vimala is what? Is a female name. It's a girl's name. So what we have to write? We have to write she. She is for girls. He is for boys. So what we have to write here? She. So we have to replace this Vimala with she. So what will be the next what will be the answer? Vimala is my friend. She writes neatly. Again one more sentence you can get. Vimala reads a book. Then again you take out Vimala and again write she like that. Now let us see the fourth sentence. The children are in the park. The children are playing football. The children. Which noun is getting repeated? The children. Again here the children. So which noun you have to replace? In the first sentence or in the second sentence? Yes, you have to replace the noun which is getting repeated in the second sentence. So it is the children. So the children. What you have to write now? The children. Children means many. Child is one. Children means many. Now all of you are children. So there are many children. Am I included in this one? No. So what you have to take? He? No. She? No. It's for one girl only. We is if I am included, then only we write we. So no. I? No. They. Yes. They. The children means they. They are playing football. So you have to write they. If it is a group of many people, then we use they. Next. So the children are in the park. They are playing football. That is the pronoun. We are replacing the children with the pronoun they. Now let us see the fifth one. I and my friend. Here I am also included. I and my friend went to the market. I and my friend bought some vegetables. Can you see? Bought some vegetables. Now which nouns are getting repeated? Here I is and my friend. I is pronoun. But when I am talking about myself, usually I say I. So I and my friend. Here again that same is repeated. So we have to replace I and my friend with which pronoun? Can you tell? I am also included. So we use we. I and my friend went to the market. We bought some vegetables. If I am also included, we use we. Now here, where are you going? What is the pronoun? Here directly you. You is the pronoun. I can ask, hello Ajay. Then where are you going? So in the place of Ajay I am saying you. So here I wrote only direct the second sentence. Where are you going? You is the pronoun. My name is Serenya. I like swimming. When I am telling about myself, I am Serenya. I like swimming. So this is where I am using I. All this one you have learned in your second standard. We are just revising so that who has forgotten it or those are new to this school, they can just follow. In your third standard, you learn more about the persons, what is first person, second person, third person, and you learn more pronouns. So that is for today. I am giving you some homework. I am giving you some sentences like this, and you have to just replace the noun with the pronoun. We are sending you the word sheet. In that one, you can just copy into your notebook, write the answers and send us. So I hope all of you understood it. And that's for today. Tomorrow again we come with another topic. That's for okay children, goodbye and have a nice day.